Hola chicos, today's tutorial is on the present tense of the verb venir and a plus a time. And in order to review time, we need to look back at our lesson on qué hora es, how to tell time. When we initially did this, we used son las or es la for 1 o'clock to say what the hour is. We would take the minutes and add them or subtract them from the hour. So if it's 15 minutes to 7, we would say son las 7 menos cuarto. All right, if it's quarter after 6, son las 6:15. Noon is mediodía, midnight is medianoche, and we can also say de la mañana, de la tarde, de la noche to say what time of day. Now, we're going to do something a little bit different with venir, which I'll show you in a minute. First, we have to learn the forms. It looks a lot like tener. So, vengo, vienes, viene, venimos, venís, vienen looks really, really similar to tener, but not exactly. So right now, just memorize them. And remember that you've got a couple of vowel changes that you need to watch out for. Be sure to pause at any time if you need to go back. A means at or to. So to say what time something happens, we're going to use a before the time. A qué hora vienes al colegio means at what time do you come to school. Vengo a las 8 en punto. I come at 8 o'clock on the dot. A qué hora es la clase de álgebra? At what time is algebra class? Es a la 1 de la tarde. Be sure to go back and look at anything that you might need to review.